Welcome back to course number 5, Credit Scores and Reports. In this lecture, we'll focus on how to check and monitor your credit. You'll learn where to access your credit information, how often to review it, and why consistent monitoring is essential for building a healthy financial future. Monitoring your credit is important because your financial history directly affects your ability to borrow, rent an apartment, or even land a job. By checking your credit regularly, you can catch errors, protect yourself against identity theft, and see how your actions influence your score. Remember, your credit report and your credit score are related but different. Your credit report is the detailed record of your accounts, payment history, and inquiries. Your credit score is the three-digit number that summarizes the report. Monitoring both gives you the full picture of your financial health. In the United States, you can get a free credit report every year from each of the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The official website is annualcreditreport.com. That means you can stagger your requests and check your report from one bureau every 4 months to stay updated year-round. When reviewing your report, pay attention to 4 sections. First, personal information. Make sure it's accurate. Second, account history. Look for any late or missed payments. Third, public records, such as bankruptcies. Fourth, inquiries. Check who has accessed your credit. Each section tells part of your financial story and may affect your score. While your credit report is free annually, your credit score may not always be included. However, many banks, credit card issuers, and personal finance apps now provide free access to your credit score. Checking your score regularly helps you track progress, but remember, it may vary slightly depending on which scoring model is used. There are also credit monitoring services that alert you to changes in your credit report, such as new accounts or hard inquiries. Some are free, while others charge a fee. For students, even simple tools like bank alerts or free apps can provide enough information to stay on top of changes without extra cost. Regular monitoring also helps protect against identity theft. If someone tries to open an account in your name, you'll see it on your credit report. Catching this early allows you to dispute fraudulent activity quickly before it does lasting damage to your financial profile. To summarize, checking and monitoring your credit is one of the most important financial habits you can build as a student. Use annualcreditreport.com for free reports, track your score through banks or apps, and stay alert for changes. By monitoring regularly, you can protect your identity, correct errors, and stay in control of your financial future. This concludes our course number 5, Credit Scores and Reports. See you at the next course.